Hi, in this video, I will show you how to share the data you collected for others to use by uploading them to the Globe website. Get your laptops and smartphones ready, and make sure they are connected to the internet. Are you ready? First, open your browser. Then, in the address box, type in www.globe.gov. Then press enter. This should take you to the main page of the Globe website. Next, to start uploading your data, you must first log into your Globe account. If you are a student and a minor, your teacher should have set up a Globe account for you, under his or her Globe teacher account. Click Sign In. Once you have keyed in your username and password, go to the Globe Data tab on the main menu. Then, go to Data Entry Desktop Forms. This will open a new window. In this new window, locate and click on your organization. Then, look for the name of the site or location where you collected your data. This site should have been created by your teacher beforehand. If you cannot find your site, or if the site has not been created yet, then on the right side, click on Add Site and key in the required site information. Here, our site is the Ninoy Aquino Park and Wildlife Quezon City. So, we'll click on that. In the last video tutorial, we collected soil temperature data. So, scroll down and look for soil temperature. Click on New Observation if you are uploading a new observation. If not, click on Past Observation if you want to update past data entry. Here, we'll click New Observation. And then, key in the date when you collected data, and the time. Please take note that the time is in 24 hours format. When you are done with that, the next step is to simply type in your data. In our example, we collected temperature data for 5 centimeters and 10 centimeters depths. So, we'll simply type our measurements accordingly. When you're done, simply click Send. Voila! You have uploaded your first data. Congratulations! You may also enter data through the Globe Observer app. Remember, don't just learn science. Do science.